Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it on Instagram, couldn't refresh feed. So how you can fix this error? So first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi here and just try to turn it off and turn on again. If it doesn't help you, just go to mobile data, turn off and turn on mobile data. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down. Just find here shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restart your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try another way. So just try to update your Instagram. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, just write in search tab Instagram, and if you see here update, it means that you have available updates. Just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Instagram. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.